Hello investors, welcome to Business Learnings. In this video, I'll be talking about 5 companies which have given a return of 10 to 20 times in last 1 year, right? And even after delivering such kinds of returns, such multi-bagger kind of returns, these companies are still trading at relatively lower valuations. The P/E ratios of all these companies will be less than 15. One. Second, all these companies, market cap of all these companies are more than 1000 crore rupees, which though these companies are small cap, smaller the market cap, bigger the risk. Therefore, I had added another filter that the market cap should be more than 1000 crore rupees. That being said, these companies are small cap companies, inherently carry a lot of risk. Please do your own research before investing your hard-earned money into it. I haven't done any fundamental research on any of these companies so far, right? Do subscribe to the channel and watch the video throughout the end so that you get complete understanding and you do not end up implementing half the things, right? The first company is Somaiya Industries. Now, this company is involved in the business of manufacturing fabrics and women wear garments, right? This company used to trade at about 49 rupees a year ago, and today it's trading at 536 rupees, which means approximately 11 times returns. If you had invested about 8 lakh rupees, 9 lakh rupees in this company a year ago, today you would have been a crorepati. That's the kind of return this company has given in the last 1 year. And even after delivering such kinds of return, the P ratio of this company is still 3, just 3. Second company in the list is Autumn Investment and Infrastructure Limited. This company is involved in the business of providing financial services. The P ratio of this company is 5.04, still very undervalued. Market cap is about 2200 crore rupees, and in the last 1 year, the kind of return that this company has given, it used to trade at 60 rupees a year ago, and today it's trading at 1294 rupees. Less than 5 lakh rupees invested a year ago would have resulted in more than 1 crore rupees in this company. That's the kind of return that this company has given, and still trading at just 5. Third company in our list is Nahar Spinning Mills Limited. Now this company is engaged in the business of manufacturing cotton yard, blended yard and hosiery knitwears, right? The P ratio of this company is 9.61. Today it is trading at a price of 445 rupees. But last year this company was just trading at about 43 rupees, which means about 11 times, 10 to 11 times kind of a return. The market cap of this company is 1600 crore rupees, again more than 1000, relatively less volatile as compared to micro caps. Fourth company in our list is Sport King India Limited. Now this company is engaged in manufacturing of cotton yarn, blended yarn and synthetic yarn. The market cap of this company is 2240 crore rupees. P ratio of this company is again relatively cheaper, about 12.6, and the last 1 year again this company has given a phenomenal return. Last year this company was trading at about 70 rupees and currently it is trading at 1685, which means that about 23 times returns. About 4.5 lakhs invested in this company last year would have resulted in more than 1 crore. So that's the kind of return that this company has provided. A fifth company in our list is Brightcom Group Limited. This company is involved in the business of providing digital marketing services and development of computer software and services. The P ratio of this company is about 13.1. Relatively stable company because the market cap is about 6600 crore rupees, which means that it's reaching towards the mid cap sector of stocks. The P ratio is 13.1 and it has given a return of 14 times. Last year it was trading at about 4.44 rupees and today it is trading at about 61 rupees, which means about 14 times returns. The important point to note here is that all these 5 companies, they are small cap companies available at cheap valuations, or at least they seem like available at cheap valuations, but about 80 to 90% of the companies in India, they have some issues in the corporate governance. And small cap companies, it's very difficult to find out the issues going on with the small cap companies. The reason being, there is not much secondary research or even primary research available with these companies. We do not have as much leverage as bigger fund managers, bigger investors who end up investing a lot of money. As retail investors, we do not get much information about the company, right? So please do your own research before investing in these kinds of companies, and let me know which of these companies do you want me to do a detailed fundamental research on. I'll try to cover that company in my next video. Till that time, thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.